We're on a mission today. We're going to get crabs.
Yeah, time to roast on Friday.
Roast crabs. Ratty is teaching me this one. Definitely caught crabs when I was a kid on the seashore. Never really found these river ones though. That's a whole new deal.
I got one before when I go in the beach.
Crab catching.
Have you cooked these before, Ratty?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Surprise, surprise, it's hot in the afternoon in Jamaica.
We're gonna get some hot coals at MOKKO fireside.
Okay.
Put them on it and then we roast.
Sounds great.
Yeah.
I normally boil them in salt water.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Maybe with some Scotch bonnet pepper.
Yeah.
If we have any, I don't know.
Yes, we got a lot. Some little tiny ones. Those.
Are those spicy ones?
If you put one of those in your mouth, you have to drink 6 gallons of water.
Jeez, sounds good.
Or one of milk.
Snoopy's working up here in this wicked house.
Yeah. See, MOKKO don't know anything. Because MOKKO never knows I have my gloves in my pocket.
Ah.
That's why I put them in there to hide them.
I got my gloves.
What?
Natural gloves. Natural protection. What size are we going for? How big are they? Show me with your hand.
Yeah, but that big?
Hand size?
Yeah.
Any size go?
Like the size of my hand?
Oh, yeah.
And when you eat them, do you crunch up the whole thing or do you just pull the
No,
meat
just
out?
take off the top and pull out the meat.
Okay.
Maybe you can do some boiled crab.
Grilled, broiled, roast or fried. Roast or fried.
Oh, yeah. That's a good music. Roast or fried crab. Roast or fried crab.
All right, we're approaching the area.
Oh yeah, I should have brought my slipper.
We're approaching the wet area, the river, which has become quite clear actually. It gets real brown after the rainfall, but it's looking very crystal clear again. Pretty clean overall, although the river right by MOKKO's place is much cleaner just because there's only a handful of houses along it. Whereas this main river here, you got a lot of people. You might be able to see a big horse down there chilling in the water, big cow I mean. All right, here we are. Crab time. Oh. We gotta go up top, Ratty?
That's the first on bottom.
Throw them down?
Down here first.
Search down here, okay.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Oh my
God. Alright. I'm gonna leave my shoes down here, I guess.
I'm not so fast as this.
Me neither. Especially if I have to do it with the camera. Well, the shoes come off. Ratty, I'm gonna pass you the camera, yo. Yeah.
Oh, it's sticky.
Matthew, they walk over there. They walk over there.
Huh?
Over there is another road.
I'm good. Can you film me, Ratty?
Yeah.
Check it out. There we go.
Matthew's wolf climbing right now.
Free climbing.
Yeah.
All right. Up into the spring. Oh, MJ took the smart way.
Oh, yeah. That's a good one. Now let's look around now. This time, let's do all the gloves. This is the one. But you like to see between rocks.
Okay.
Trees.
I don't see anything right now. Man.
Maybe. Here's the perfect one.
You don't bombo
Wait, I don't see something wrong right now.
Plenty of snails.
You wanna go up?
We're going up more? What if we go down closer to the river? Ugh. It isn't all clean here. Questionable mission.
At that time of the day where you just accept your fate
Oh, it's so slimy.
as you get nothing or something.
Sweat.
We're going up top. Is that?
Yeah?
Alright. The engine can walk up to me. You know what I'm
Okay. Waterfall climb. Wasn't expecting this one. Right, we are waterfall hiking. One-handed.
I never know.
Wow.
This was a crab here.
There was?
He jumped off, bro.
You jumped down?
Yeah.
Crazy. All right.
Ooh. You know what? There's maybe bee crabs here.
What?
Look at those holes. Whoa! What is right there? What is that one? There's a crab. Look at those holes there. Got a stick or something?
Where is he?
Right there.
Okay. This might be just a waterfall climbing mission, but apparently we do have a crab here. They hide so quick. Man, beautiful waterfall. Whoa. Never climbed up here.
That's it.
Yeah, that's cool. No crabs.
Go down a little bit more. That's the sound of that.
Hey, we might not get lucky with crabs, and this is just turning into a waterfall climb.
No. Don't stay there.
Oh, water's nice. Watch your step, man.
I know it. It's easy to get.
He's a pro. Ratty, you're crazy, man. Oh, getting wet. This is sketch. Okay, we got it, this. All right.
Move a little bit
That is hectic.
A little bit more. And the water gonna squeeze up a little bit. Whew.
No crabs.
No crabs.
No crabs.
I don't
What,
know.
remember when we looked down on the other side by the river? It looked like there might be. Maybe we should check there.
Oh, yeah. I'm going this way. Go this way.
Yeah, I'm going the safe way. Are you sure? Why don't you go down this way? That's some skills. What's that movie with the crazy climber? The guy climbing El Capitan? Free solo. Here's Ratty free solo. Got skills. So you're all the way up top there.
I did it! Whoa!
Yeah. Nice one.
Did it, bro?
You got it, bro.
Long time to
I'm gonna take the slightly easier way.
never got that far.
Okay.
There's a few shrimp on this too.
You did it.
Look.
Ooh, good mushroom.
Look.
All right.
I'm gonna catch here.
No crabs, but that was badass climbing.
Ha! Yeah.
So we thought we drink BB juice. We thought we drink BB juice in the sand.
All right, let's have a look. Maybe down by the river. I didn't check there yet. No.
Underneath the rover. Hot me the camera. I make everybody see underneath the rover. Come on. Another way, another way. Turn it around another way.
No, no, no. I just get everything.
Wow, light it out there.
Light it up. There?
Yeah, I don't know if it's worth it.
Down there, there's light here. You can walk in the thing down there. And you can come out here. You know, Matthew?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The one down there.
Well,
We're not gonna walk down there. We can walk over there.
we don't need to go down there.
Ready?
There's no crabs.
That was a good hike.
Good hike. All right, good try. No crabs, but a good climbing.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go get some chicken.
Let's go get something.
So, Ratty, you felt one?
Yes.
What, when you were
poking?
poking it on the top?
No, when I was come down and I was underneath the waterfall and I dipped my hand in that little water there. Where the bug was in.
Well, we definitely saw one last time
Yeah.
on our hike, but I didn't see anything that time.
Is there some fruit trees
But
close
it's pink
to here?
isn't it? It go like this. And I grab my hand out. See, like this you go, Matthew.
Oh, we're gonna go
And I
get some
got my
guinea
own.
from the yard.
Yeah.